So today we're going to complete the raised beds and then put dirt in the raised beds. Years ago we built some raised beds and they worked out really well. The top of these raised beds is woods. I think they're 1x6s, and between the top and the bottom they're stainless steel. So we wanted to build these raised beds so that they would look exactly the same, except with these, no ducks will be able to get into them and eat all my plants. Now that we have the outside raised beds complete, we are going to start on filling those raised beds. What we're going to do is we're going to use dirt from this project that we dug up when we dug the hole. After we've added the dirt, we're probably going to have to add compost to the raised beds because this is dirt from about 6 feet down, between 4 and 6 feet down. There's not going to be a whole lot of nutrients in it. So we'll just go ahead and add compost or rotted manure. We have a lot of it here because we live on a farm and we get all of our manure for free because we got animals. So having nutrients for the raised beds isn't going to be an issue. that's complete, we're going to start building the raised bed in the middle. For this part, we're going to use the piece of metal that was left over from when we dismantled the carport itself. So 8 foot by 15 foot.
Yeah, 30 inches, leaves 3 foot in the middle.
Oh.
Yeah, 7 foot by 3 foot. That'd be nice in the center.
So once we got that raised bed up, we noticed that it was kind of floppy. Like if you push on the top, the whole thing just bent down, and there really wasn't a whole lot of support, so I was pretty worried about it being able to actually hold dirt. So we ended up just putting some wood supports in there, which was really easy.
No.
Yes.
I know you want cookies. But did you help with the greenhouse?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I hold Dr. Pepper.
Oh, you hauled the Dr. Peppers?
Yes.
How'd you pick that up for Daddy?
Tomorrow the roof goes on.
You say that. I'll believe it when I see it.
Down there.
So now that we got the raised beds done, they're filled in, everything looks good, everything's holding steady. Now it's time to add the roof. To watch how we did that, please go ahead and click on the video over here. It should be somewhere on the right side of your screen, and we'll see you over there.